A family that feels the capacity to care is the thing which gives life its deepest significance. This is the story of a family who will do whatever it takes to take care of 84 unfortunate children. In tonight's Successful Fijian, we will witness how generosity is a condition of the heart and not the wallet. Fijian Mboila with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
They now call themselves the Zion Ministry, but the struggles they faced when they started back in 2015 was something to behold.
It's really challenging. It really challenges us, I think, in both ways, physically and spiritually. It's not easy because they've been old enough to know things. Eh? Sometimes when you talk to them, they've got the answer, and they try to be too smart, you know. That's the time when I think sometimes they try to get into our nerves. But we have that heart of bringing them up.
Founder Serusi Tanganiniwai says the girls were homeless and they entered their door to seek parental love.
Sometimes we have to do the running around here and there looking for food for table. We know that what we are doing, we are not getting paid by the government or any other non-government organization or somewhere else, or financial support from any other international body or international groups. The only thing that we have is the heart.
The youngest was a one-year-old boy, and sometimes life is a challenge. However, it has molded these kids to be stronger in life.
It's not enough, really, it's not enough. And sometimes we had nothing to eat. There's nothing, there's only coconut, boiled water over there. There's no sugar, tap water is over there, just please yourself. Sometimes we have food on the table. Sometimes it's not really enough for us. No? We just share little, whatever things that we have.
Overcrowding continued to be an issue for them, but they are determined to do whatever it takes to support the kids.
We want to thank Turang Tisuba for the big blessing. Since though it's a fossil land, or it's a crown land, it's still a piece of land. That he already gave us a green light to move, and negotiation will be done sooner or later.
As the Zion Ministry continues to survive every day, their advice is simple. You can live with less of what you have. You can be more of who you are. Fijian Mboila, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.